If you're looking to amplify your profitability and dominate the Amazon marketplace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the key metrics that you need to be tracking and how to optimize those to really make your Amazon ads more profitable for you this year on Amazon. And make sure to stay till the end because I'll share with you how one brand was able to help 3x their investment with Amazon ads. Amazon's advertising platform is booming, with the company reporting billions in ad revenue. All these brands are even pouring more money now into Amazon ads, and it's really important as the brand owner or as a CMO for the company that you work for to make sure that you're optimizing your Amazon ads around the metrics that truly matter, more specifically to your brand. So even small improvements in core metrics can really lead to massive financial upsides for you. At ClickFluency, I have some case studies that I want to share with you that show how optimizing your ad strategy on Amazon for some clients even drove some really great results. One brand saw over a 200% sales growth on average in just 6 months, and some even saw as much as a 10x sales growth for over just the course of 1 to 2 years of working together. Now, if you're just getting started with Amazon ads, make sure to check out this video here. That is very simple, but it breaks down for you all the different things that you can be doing to set up your own Amazon advertising campaign so that you know how to what it looks like in the back end inside Amazon advertising console. So let me share with you how you can get those benefits of massively profitable, even sometimes Amazon ads. And there's 3 really key metrics that you need to look at as the CEO or as the CMO for the company to really focus in on for Amazon. And the first one I want to share with you is your break-even advertising cost of sale. So you've probably heard the term ACoS, which stands for advertising cost of sale before, but a number that you really need to know for each of your products is your break-even ACoS. So to calculate that, you're going to take the sales price and you're going to subtract that from your cost of goods sold. This could also include any overhead that you want to add in there, and you divide that by your sale price. That's going to be your break-even ACoS for Amazon. So if you know that number early on, you can collect data when you're looking at your ads and how they're performing without losing a lot of money. And this is really helpful to do it on a per product basis. I've talked about that before in a previous video, but to know your numbers by each product, because you are typically going to have some of your products that you sell that have higher margins and others that don't, especially those low profit margin products. You really need to know your break-even ACoS to make sure that you're not draining a lot of money from your profits that you're getting for Amazon sales every month. So second, you want to look at your target ACoS. Now, once you have like that baseline data, you know what your break-even ACoS is. That's a great starting point. This is really going to help you now calculate what is your target ACoS. What is that advertising cost of sale percentage that you're trying to hit with your Amazon ads specifically? And a target, if you have one that's too low, you're actually going to really boost your short-term margins. So you're going to have good, healthy margins, but you may be reducing your overall ad performance and really stifling growth that could be happening for your products on Amazon. Now, obviously the opposite is true, right, too. If you have it too high, you actually might be overpaying for your Amazon ads. So ideally you want to have your ideal range of by product category, and even split it, like I said, by looking at each specific product and the margins that you're getting. So after all of the fees, after Amazon, what is that target ACoS that you can hit that you're not losing money anymore, so you're above your break even, but you're also not spending too much either, or not spending enough and stifling growth. So you want it really good target ACoS. And this is going to be up to your brand and where you are with specific products as well. And let me give you an example. One client, a luxury sunscreen family-owned company, we really had to clean up a lot of their listings. And if you've watched any videos before, how to build a winning product listing on Amazon is so important for conversions and also for your ads to perform well too. And you really want to make sure your listings are, when you're sending traffic, that they're converting. And that'll help you, like I said, with your ads as well on Amazon. They saw over 103% sales growth in just 1 year when we were optimizing the listings and also hitting the right target ACOS as well. So there was not losing, they weren't losing money, but they weren't like extremely profitable. It was right in that middle of the target ACOS to still give them growth. And we definitely paired that with making sure their listings were optimized fully, their catalog was cleaned up, everything is like very high converting as much as it can be. And that's really when we just ramped up the Amazon ads. Third, let's talk next about your tacos, which is your total advertising cost of sale. This is a really important metric to know as well. Your ads are really more than just the actual sales that are happening just through ads. You want to know that they are boosting your brand awareness every time you're running Amazon ads, but they're also helping you with your organic placements, so where you show up in searches. And that tacos number, this is what is going to show you the overall sales impact that your ads are having. Your tacos is calculated by total ad spend divided by and you have to take your organic sales and add your ad sales. That's going to give you your tacos percentage, okay? And typically, if I was to give you a general rule, if you're in that 10 to 20% range for tacos, that's going to indicate that you have strong performance on both your paid side and your organic. So that means that all of your sales aren't being driven by ads alone, but that your ads are actually leading to you getting more organic sales, which is ultimately the goal, because you don't want to be relying so heavily on just ads alone on Amazon as they get more expensive, different times of the year, higher cost per clicks, just how much more competition there is, that kind of stuff. So your tacos and having a really good tacos is important, because then you know you're on the right path for your ads to be profitable. Now, if you want a deeper dive into tacos versus ACOS, I have a whole video where I dig into that a lot more. Make sure to check out that video here, and you can learn more in depth about those key metrics to look at for your Amazon ads. Let me share another case study example with you. So another brand really wanted to take control of their Amazon presence. Things were all over the place. A lot of third-party sellers, a lot of unauthorized third-party sellers. And within 2 years, we were able to take them and see them have over a 1,200% growth. Now, this is because part of the reason was they were also taking over existing sales as well. But that growth, we really made a full funnel strategy that was optimized for tacos. So always keeping in mind, how were their ads contributing to their organic search placements when we were running those, to just make sure everything was online. And then everything, like I said, their sales exploded, and the growth over just a 2-year period was phenomenal for Amazon. And we had one client too that just right off the bat in the first 6 months saw a 3x from what they invested. So meaning from what they spent on ads, they were able to 3x that. And I didn't even dig into return, like ROAS, return on ad spend, but that was a phenomenal return. Really good starting point. Obviously you can get higher even than that, but that really helps them to get the momentum that they needed, not only on their ad side to see a good return, but on organic side as well, for where they showed up with searches on Amazon that were not brand related. Now, as a CMO or a CMO that is really leading the strategy for your brand, with Amazon Marketplace being one of those that you just can't ignore forever, even if you have maybe in the past, even those small marginal improvements in your ACOS is going to help your bottom line so much, especially because you're really looking at volume. And so every time you're making slight improvements in that, and the more volume you do, you're going to be helping your margins stay healthy overall. Like I said, you want to set an optimal target, like the tacos, and for your ACOS, you want to be tracking your tacos overall. You want to be making small improvements with that ACOS. You may even sometimes need to or want to improve that target ACOS. You always want to be making sure to recalculate your break-even ACOS. Recently, I did a video, and I have a new, 2 different parts to it. I'll attach the most recent one here, where I break down a lot of the different Amazon FBA fee updates. Those are important to note, because anytime Amazon changes fees on you, you'll have to recalculate that break-even ACOS for you to know your most recent up-to-date, what is that percentage that I have to hit to at least break even. And by looking at those core metrics, you're really going to help amplify your advertising ROI in the long run and your marketplace success on Amazon, because so many brands sometimes get frustrated thinking Amazon is not profitable. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. We've definitely seen, if you do it the right way and take the right strategies put them in place, that your ads can be profitable even on a competitive marketplace like Amazon. Now, if you want to learn more about, okay, how do I maybe continue to reach out to customers or potential customers on Amazon, I think you're going to find this next video really interesting, because a lot of brands aren't leveraging it yet to bring people that are almost cart abandoners back into their funnel to then show them more of your products and then get them hopefully to buy from you. So make sure to check out that next video.